Welcome back, guys, to Coin Kitchen, where every penny counts. Today I'm feeling a bit lazy and I'm feeling like a couch potato, so that got me thinking, and I thought of a recipe that I used to do when I was camping. So without further ado, today we're gonna be making something called tortellini with salad and dressing. It's very much like any other pasta salad, but it's very fast to make and quick. What we're gonna need for this recipe is a pack of tortellini, a pack of basis salad, at least that's how it's called here in Denmark. It's a combination of lettuce, carrots, cabbage, and some other little vegetables. And the last thing we will be needing is dressing. I'm not gonna tell you what dressing to use. I'm gonna use garlic dressing because I love garlic. But you are welcome to use whatever you like. That being said, guys, let's just jump straight into the kitchen and see what we can cook. Shall we? First, we boil a pot of water for the tortellini. When the water starts boiling, we add enough salt to make it taste like the Atlantic Ocean. Then we set the heat on medium or 5. After that, we take our tortellinis and we add them to the water. Mix from time to time to make sure they don't stick. After about 8 to 10 minutes, we take the tortellini and we drain them into a sieve. And after draining, we let them rest for 1 or 2 minutes to make sure all the water is out. Now, take a pot, take the salad and put it in. After the salad, add the tortellini. Mix them a bit to make sure they're evenly spread. Then add the dressing of your choice, garlic dressing in my case. And mix. Mix until everything is covered in that nice sweet garlic sauce. And it's done. Okay, guys, so here's the dish. I think this must be one of the fastest dish I ever cooked because it's just so simple. Boil the tortellini, mix everything together, it's done. Without further ado, let's go into tasting. Let me get a bit of salad, a bit of tortellini. It tastes good. It tastes great. It's not gonna win any prizes, that's for sure, but it's something I see myself eating every time I'm in a hurry, and it's like any other pasta salad you might find in a shop. Only it's better because it's homemade. But I do like it a lot, and actually I haven't eaten today, so this is quite addictive. But anyway, guys, before I go, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope that you're gonna like, share and subscribe and join us on the next recipe. Till then, have a great day.